Adverse possession allows a party in possession of real property owned by another to acquire valid title in it. To do so, an adverse claimant's possession must generally be exclusive, hostile, open and notorious, actual, and continuous for the statutory period of time. In Wilcox v. Estate of Hines, we examine this hostility requirement under a rather unique set of facts. Ronald and Mary Soma bought some lake property in Wisconsin. Although the sale excluded a 25-foot strip of land that separated their property from Lake Delton, it granted the Somas the right to foot traffic across it. Under the mistaken impression that a boat tour company owned the strip, the Somas requested and obtained the company's permission to make several improvements to it. However, the strip was actually owned by two individuals and subsequently by their estates after they died. Nonetheless, the Somas carried on in this manner for 40 years until they sold the property to Richard and Susan Wilcox in 2002. The Somas notified the Wilcoxes that the strip wasn't part of the property, but they would have the right of foot traffic across it. The Wilcoxes proceeded to develop and make improvements to the strip. 9 years after their purchase, the Wilcoxes brought an action to obtain legal title to the strip under Wisconsin's adverse possession statute. They contended the statutory 20-year minimum was satisfied by tacking the Somas' adverse possession time onto their own. However, the trial court considered evidence that the Somas didn't intend to claim title in the strip because they disclaimed ownership of it and requested permission to improve it. Accordingly, the court found the Wilcoxes failed to satisfy the adverse possession requirements for the minimum statutory period and dismissed the matter. On appeal, the court determined the Somas' subjective intent was irrelevant to evaluating the merits of an adverse possession claim and reversed. The titleholder estates appealed.